Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the TBK 958N. This laser machine is quite easy to set up, so we're going to go through that demonstration so that you know how to use it when you buy it. Let's get started. One of the really nice things about this machine is it's a plug-and-play machine. There really isn't much setup to it, as things come preloaded. You just need to plug it in, turn it on, and it'll automatically open the laser control system. When you're ready to laser the back glass, select the phone that you're going to be working on, and using your mouse to click the infrared button, or using F1 on your keyboard, will allow you to see the red light outlining where the laser is going to hit. Now, one thing I highly recommend when working on back glass devices is to get the phone. I know that it's a lot of effort to remove the motherboard, the battery, and all of the sensitive components, but it takes the risks way down when it comes to things that can happen with these devices. You get a better product in the end, and you won't have a phone that is full of ash and little shards of glass. So I highly recommend taking everything apart before going through this process. That being said, all you need to do once the phone is on the platform is do the autofocus by clicking the autofocus button. The table will lower and the automatic focusing arm will fold out and will intercept the phone as the platform raises and adjust the height accordingly. At that point, with the red light going, we can install the metal frame that'll hold the phone in place so that we get that alignment perfect. And with 2 bolts and eyeing the red light, we'll be able to align manually the frame perfectly so we can tighten down the metal bracket in place. Once that's done, we'll turn on the laser and then we'll hit focus again. As you might have moved something when tightening those bolts. And next would be to select the camera lens covers for the corresponding models so that you don't affect the lenses or their frames. There are 3 different buttons that can start the laser process, but you can also just hit F2. And then you can enjoy the satisfying cutting of the laser as it sweeps across the back of the phone. If everything was done right, the laser should have hit all of the spots on the back glass that it needed to, avoiding the camera lenses and the outside frame of the phone. From there, you can use the methods that you prefer, like glass breakers and things like that, especially if you've removed the internals. And from there, it should be pretty straightforward to complete the back glass repair. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. As you saw, it is a really simple machine to use. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.